Okay, alrighty. So some of you might were running into a problem that either their PS5 or the PS4 controller lost the wireless connection to the console or the PC. And when you tried everything and it's not working, there is a little trick you can do. And it works actually for the PS5 and the PS4 controller. You can actually hard reset your controller. So for the PS4, we have that little tiny hole here, which you would use a maybe paper clip like so. And then you can reset the wireless connections of your PS4 controller. And we have the same for the PlayStation 5 controller. And it's right next on to the Sony logo. Just make sure never to push it into this hole, always the hole next to the logo. And of course, both of these reset buttons, these reset holes, are on the backside of your controller. And then you can actually reset the controller, and then of course you have to re-establish the wireless connection. But at least if you ever got stuck and you did not manage to reconnect your controller, this trick might help a little bit.